How to add video overlay effect edit like Ali Abdaal in Davinci Resolve. Right-click on your video in timeline and choose Open on Fusion page. Open up Effects panel, expand Tools, and click on Shape. Drag a shape rectangle and shape render node and connect them to Media in node. Select the rectangle and adjust its size and position in the viewer. Increase soft edge to 0.3 or 0.4 to round the corners. Select both rectangle and render nodes and press Ctrl+C to copy them. Click anywhere empty to deselect them and press Ctrl+V to paste them. Select the new rectangle node, press Shift+Space, search for S outline, and add it. Select the rectangle and in the Style tab choose another color. Select outline and change thickness to 0.0035. Drag to select rectangle, outline, and render nodes and copy them. Click anywhere empty and paste them. Connect the output of the new render to the output of the second render to merge them. Also, connect Merge to output of Media in to merge them. Select the new rectangle and in the Style tab choose another color. Select the render node, press Shift+Space, search for glow, and add it. Select the new outline and by changing position and length properties we can make the animation. Right-click on the length property and choose Modify with Shake. In the Modifiers tab, set smoothness to 100, minimum to 0.06, and maximum to 0.7. Go back to Tools tab again and move playhead to the start. Set position to 0 and click on diamond button next to it to add a starting keyframe. Move playhead to frame 150 and set position to -1 to add another keyframe. Open up Spline panel and check Only Position checkbox. Click on this button to see all the keyframes. Click on this button to select all the keyframes. Click on this button to loop the animation for the entire length of the composition. Select Merge node, press Shift+Space, search for Drop Shadow, and add it. Now go back to the Edit page, drag your video to above track, and bring another video to the bottom track. Select the overlay video and in the inspector, adjust the size and position of it.